Want to turn your videos from this to this? Just follow these simple steps and watch full video carefully because every single step is important. Step number 1, generating background image. Just copy the prompt that I have given in comment box or description, and then go to laronado.ai, simply log in and paste prompt here. And select your video ratio and click Generate. Download the image. If you want custom background, then you can edit this prompt. Step note 2, mix your video and background. Go to any editing software, add your video in that background. I'm using an anime character, but you can use anything. Move your video to overlay. Now select your video and click on Remove BG. Adjust your cutout perfectly. And add this blur effect with this acuity. Now the step number 3, color grading. Click Adjust. Here's the all settings. And boom, here's the results. Tell me in comment box how it is. And don't forget to like the video. If you want video like this, subscribe now.